Hi guys, today we're making
slime
with, so heavy, borax. We have this, the glue of the slime we made like a few months ago. Yeah.
Is it yours?
So we're going to try and fix it with the borax. No, don't touch it.
Sorry.
So here we have 1 cup of hot water and we need 1 tablespoon of borax.
I popped her bubbles. It was not my slime.
Here we go.
Pop.
Oh no, there's more. There's more. There's a lot.
There's more than mine too. Well, mine doesn't not make sounds because it's more good.
Okay, look.
And my little glue.
Here's the glue.
And the little glue.
We're gonna add the little glue after if we need it.
After, but I need the little glue right now.
That's good for now. So now with this spoon, you get some water and
Hey, I want to get water.
and then you put it in there.
Look, guys, I can do spider webs. Wait. Yeah. What is good enough already?
Oh.
What? It's good enough. Looks so cool. It's still there. There's a lot.
So we're gonna put it here for a second, and then we're gonna open this one, and we're gonna try to fix this one, right?
Okay.
So you remember yours?
Yeah.
It was blue, and then Tata's was what? Purple.
Yep.
It was purple, right?
So you're gonna try to fix it with borax, and then if you like to mix them, then
I'm gonna put a little bit in.
you can mix them, Daniel. Okay. So right now,
I have a little.
I'm gonna add borax and see what happens.
I can put it in here. Ah. Ah, it's going in. What is still going in? I want to get it, Mommy. Yeah. A little bit more of these. Come on in. Ah, get in alright. Ah, come here. Come in. Lee. we mix, 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 mix. Mix and mix and mix, 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 mix.
Okay, guys. So Daniela's adding
Cream
to her slime.
and
makes-
to mix, mix, mix.
So it makes it stretchy, huh? So you're gonna take it out from the bowl.
Okay. Take it out. Wow. Wow. Hey, I need some too. Thanks. You mean
So we open it like this.
I cannot put some because I'm sitting down. Wait, I have. I can put it
So
over.
getting better?
I can put it over here.
Stretchy. Yeah, you can move it. Like open it like this. Yep.
What? We can make it bigger, Tata. Look. Mine is so much bigger. So
It smells so good.
Mine not yet. Don't mix it. I will mix it. Okay? Oh, mine makes bubbles. Mix. I make. It's also like making bubbles. You see that bubbles there?
Yep.
Mommy, I was only with Twila, and guess what? We was making flowers with kikachucha, but they're hard and like teeny tiny, and we put it in the flowers. Like we have to make it full,
Pikachu.
and we have to put in the hole that's like something.
Oh.
Whoa, wah, wah, bee, yeah.
So which one you like better, Daniela?
This and this.
The blue and the white one?
Wow. That.
Oh, this one's so cold and stretchy.
Yeah, so.
So which one you like better?
Oh.
I like the white one better.
The white one better?
Yeah, and I like there are two of them. Look. I can do both. I can even
So you
do.
wanna try to make a bubble with the white one?
Yeah.
Yeah. First we have to smooth it out, smooth it out, smooth it out, smooth it out.
Good job.
Ah, it's making a hole, Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
when you stretch
You know
it.
what we can do? We can add fruit coloring in it.
Yeah.
In the white one.
Yeah.
I
Look, guys, I made a big hole.
Okay, I'm gonna try to make a bubble.
Time to make a bubble and then we'll pop it. Make a bubble. This makes actually a hole. So mine, when you stretch it, it gets when I can have this tap for a second, I will do something. Just move it in.
There's beads everywhere.
But it's cleaning everything.
Yeah, it's cleaning the table. Good job.
I didn't know how this can clean the table.
I'm always gonna play with this. It's so satisfying.
Clean.
I've been wanting to make slime for months.
Yeah.
So, jiggly, jiggly. Jiggly, jiggly.
Gotta do something. It's
Big ol' fucker.
So you're gonna leave yours white, Daniela, or you're gonna change it?
I'm gonna leave mine white.
Yeah.
Well, mine is so cool because it stretches so much. Because mine, I put the tap right down here and then it falls down all the way to the tap.
Mm-hmm.
I want to try again. Put the tap. There we go. Put it down. And I'll make a heart that it can go through the hole of their heart. I like touching with this. It's going on the chair. Pink, yellow, I need yellow. Not open it.
Sideways.
Got it. What? This just turned blue.
It's okay. You wash your hands later.
It turns blue in hand.
Okay, mix it.
Oh.
Wow, handprint.
Whoa!
Whoa. Wow.
So do you guys know what color? What's Daniela's favorite color and what's Daphne's favorite color?
And
Oh, look!
pop.
Make a bubble. Try again. Try again. Now that it's nicer and stretchy.
I can
You
stretch
can make a bubble now.
it. And mine looks cool.
That's a bubble in a bubble.
We're to make a bubble in a bubble. You know, I can make a ball in a ball because there's a opening ball. There's a opening ball, you mean, but it's like a circle ball, and it was like a ball that's for the slime, that's for Vanessa's purple slime, and we can put a ball inside and it opens. It's like a ball or something and it opens and we can put a little tiny ball inside and then we close it again. Ah, I hurt myself.
I love this color. It's like
Cool. He's getting this. Look.
Just cleaning your hands.
Hey, looks like it's to get in blue. But I cannot do it.
Yeah, you can do it.
No.
Yeah, Tata show you how to do it.
Okay, look.
So you stretch it.
You do this,
Yeah.
and you grab it.
You grab it,
Yeah.
Then you stretch it up.
search it up.
Then you do.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do
Don't
it.
pop it. Don't
Yeah.
pop it. Don't
Try
pop it.
again.
But I don't know what to do it.
Mhm.
Pop, 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 pop. You want to try again?
No, it's like a green.
There you go.
It's changing colors. It went from like a white to like a yellowish green to a yellow, and now it's like a light
Yeah.
green.
Stand up, Daniela.
Wait,
There you go.
I
Like
just-
that. Try
I
again.
just hear
See, like
read.
that. Like that. So you open it.
Uh-oh.
There's a little hole.
Daniela, next time we can buy clear glue
Clear glue.
and make clear slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, now with
We've
borax
never
it's
made clear
easier.
slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we always used to have Tide as activator, so we always make it blue.
Yeah.
Okay, try again, Daniela. Up, 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 up. And bubble.
My can't
Try
help.
again.
Tata can't help me with mine.
Can you make a bubble with hers?
Tata, stick into me. Tata, help me with mine.
Oh wow.
Stretch it first.
Move, 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 move.
Yay!
Oh, hey, I want to go pop it.
It's okay.
It popped by itself.
Yeah, Tata's gonna try again. 1, 2, 3. And
Pop.
we have one.
I pop it. Tata likes yours. It's so
Okay.
hot.
So we're gonna show them again and say
Hi,
bye.
you want to just
Hide your hand.
hide my hand?
Wait, let's hide your hand with this.
Okay.
Wait, but no, put your hand on the table.
Okay.
And we're gonna.
Hide it and hide it.
Now we can't find your hand. So warm. Ah. Okay.
Okay.
So.
I don't
So
want
Daniela has a dark blue and a light blue. And Daphne
Mommy,
has
you mean
yellow
that's
and
why?
purple.
And then
Okay. Comment down below which slime you like the best. This
Yeah.
one, the purple one,
order blue one.
or the yellow one.
Order blue one.
Light blue, dark blue, yellow, and purple. Comment down below which one you like the best.
If you like, so mine and Tata's or Tata's or mine. Mine is definitely
Bye guys, remember to
subscribe and like and
Share.
share
comment
and comment.
and
like, and bye and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.